guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have a small craft haul to share with you guys. Nothing crazy. It's from a few different places. Some is from Joannes. I have some stuff from Amazon and Family Dollar and this little dollar store by my job. And yeah, that's it. So let's get into the video. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I told you guys a little backstory about this Okie Dokie paper pad. I got this in the Joannes website, but not through Joannes. I got it through Google Express, where the shipping is like 10 times more faster. So I saw this paper pad, which I have not seen anyone haul this, and I just saw it on the site and I was like, this is the cutest paper pad ever. I did a flip through Instagram, but I will do one here to share it with you guys if you didn't see that or don't follow me on Instagram. So this is it. It's by DCWV. It's called Okie Dokie, and you get 12 sheets with gold foil. And it's double-sided, which I love. And you guys, look at this paper. It's just so whimsical, so cute. Love the gold foiling. I cannot wait to create something with this. I think I want to do like a pocket letter, but I need to pull from my stash just little matching stuff so that it can go with it. But it is so beautiful, and if you don't have this paper pad, I am officially being an enabler and telling you you need it in your life. Look at the cut aparts to this, oops, to this paper pad. Let me move this die out of here. Okay. Aren't these the cutest? It says free as a bird, Miss Cool, comfy and cozy, in the spotlight, what a groovy time, yippee yeah, love ya bunch, ooh la la, plantastic, this cute little guy with a little gold foiled shirt, belief in yourself, and so fresh. You guys, it's a must. It's gorge. And then I got this from Joannes, and then I also picked up this cute little case where you can put sequins in, and it was only $5.99. But you guys, I had a coupon where first you get free shipping if you spend $15. So this was like $9.99 and this was $5.99. So I spent my $15 there and I got free shipping, but then I had a $10 coupon, which, hello, I only paid like nothing for this order. But look how cute this cute little case is, and they look like little Tic Tac little packagings. I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but I just put a bunch of little mixes that I had laying around, and it's easier to be stored than a bunch of little bags laying around in my room. So I absolutely love this. So if you're looking for this, you can find it at the Joannes website for $5.99. Another thing I picked up was from eBay. I jumped on the bandwagon to make these little poppers, the confetti poppers, and this is what they look like if you haven't seen them. So what I'm going to do is decorate them and fill them with some of the confetti that I've made. I don't know if I've shown you guys the confetti. Give me 1 second. I made my own confetti, and I've been packaging them in these little washi packagings, which are so cute, by the way. I love these so much. I think they turned out so cute. But I'm going to try also the ones that Handmade by So did, where she put them in here, and it's just like everybody's recreating them and they look super cute. So I kind of want to make my own with these as well. So I just picked up a pack. I think there's like 12 in here, but they gave me 2 extras. So I definitely want to try that out. But you guys, if you have your little washi tubes, save them, because you can always save them for, use them for confetti, to store your confetti in. And I just put some of that Hobby Lobby trim around it and these cute little Maggie Holmes bows. And then you can just send them away in Happy Mail. So I picked up that. We'll put that over here. And then you guys, I'm so excited about this. I got my hands on the, what is it, Caitlin Lizardi Sizzix Pinata die. Oh my god, I cannot wait to end this video and play with this. I want to make a few. I know they're very time consuming, but I definitely want to try it out. I love it so much. I'm also waiting on the Echo Park unicorn one, but you guys, look how cute. I definitely want to make this, and I'll do a project share. I probably won't do a process video because there's so many out there, but I'll definitely do a project share on the piñatas that I create. So I picked that up, and now we can go into this bag. I picked up 2 of these little kits just to add in Happy Meal. They were in my local Family Dollar. They're the Bolero that they sell at the Dollar Tree. You get a body cream and a body scrub. And I think these are just cute little gifts that you can add in your Happy Meal. Another thing I got from eBay, when I saw Happy Meal Queen haul them, I had to pick them up because I always forget to go into Party City when I go into the shopping center when I see it. So I ordered them from online. And this is what they look like, these cute unicorn treat bags. You guys, the colors are so beautiful. I love them so much. So I got that. I picked up some more tissue paper in some different colors. I got some mint green, this kind of like magenta pink, and this one that is like a goldish color. These are super fun. I'm gonna make some more confetti to fill up those poppers. I also have another pack that I picked up, which is this one with the pastel colors, just to play around with those. I picked up some seashells because I want to paint them and alter them. And this is at a local dollar store by my job. Why was I going to stutter? By my job. And you guys, look how cute this little guy is. He was only 50 cents. And I thought he'd be fun to add to some Happy Meal. It's like those little vintage toys. Super cute. And then last few items is, if you saw my last haul, I had picked up the flamingos and the palm trees, and now I found the pineapples, which I'm super excited. I don't really like the straws, but I pull the little pineapple out and use it on some mail. And you guys, the best find of all is the bag that I found at my local Family Dollar. And I nearly died when I saw it because I couldn't believe it. For $4, you guys, I found this super cute cactus bag. Do you guys see the little pom-poms? It's so cute. I couldn't believe it was only $4. They have a plastic one, which is like see-through with cactuses, and I think I might go back. That one was for $6 though. But I wanted to pick up this one, and it's so adorable. You guys, look at that, how cute. I am obsessed. I wish I would have found more because I definitely would have included this in Happy Meal, but it was the last one and the rest were the plastic ones. But yeah, you guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what is your favorite item out of my whole haul, and don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be subscribed, to be notified, not subscribed, to be notified when I upload a new video. And you guys, I'm currently holding a giveaway on my Instagram for the cutest letterboard. So if you guys want to enter that, definitely go check that out. I will link down below the link to the picture where the giveaway is at. It's open till July 14th. And yeah, I think that's it. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.